Everybody knows how annoying hiccups can be. But imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 entire years. This was the solemn reality for American man Charles Osbourne, who began a nearly 7-decade-long hiccup fit while butchering a pig in 1922, a fit that wouldn't subside until 1990. Doctors are still unsure of the cause of the hiccups, but whatever it was, Osbourne was able to secure a Guinness World Record for his estimated 430 million hiccups over the span. Now that's not just a condition, that's a hiccup lifestyle.